Can you solve all the problems in your life with one walk? Of course not. A walk's not going to fix your marriage today. Won't erase debt. A walk's certainly not going to kill all your regret. But I'll tell you something really crazy. I started rebuilding my entire life with a simple walk around the block. It took me 15 minutes. Not with motivation, not with some big, huge master plan, not with me suddenly becoming disciplined. I'll walk. Just a little movement. Just putting one foot in front of the other. When my life felt heavy, I think a lot of people miss that. They think change starts with a huge dramatic moment. It doesn't. It starts with something small that you can repeat. For me, it was a simple 5-minute walk, and that small act started connecting the dots. When I started walking, I started thinking much clearer. When I thought clearer, I started eating a little bit better. I felt better. When I was eating better, my blood pressure started to come down just a little. My blood sugar improved just a little. I had a lot more energy. Then I started getting serious. I started moving more. Started believing maybe this change thing is possible. It's where everything shifted. Health is rarely just about health. Health is leverage and power. When your body starts to feel better, everything in your life gets easier. Everything. You have more patience with your spouse, more hope about money, more courage about your future. You show up differently, family, friends, job. You carry yourself differently. You make better decisions, period. And those better decisions start stacking. That's how change happens. People do ask me now all the time, why am I always talking about walking? Walking wasn't exercise for me before. It was the first vote I cast for a new life. Every walk was me saying, I'm not done. I'm fighting. Becoming someone that I didn't recognize, someone else. And now look at my life. Not bragging, but the results. My health is changing. My marriage is so much stronger. Sandra and I are going to move to Pereira, Colombia, building something special there. A dream that I once thought was impossible. Now it's completely real. All of that, none of that started in Colombia. It started with a walk. That's the entire point. You don't start by solving your whole life. You start by fixing one thing. And sometimes one thing is putting your damn shoes on and walking for 5 or 10 minutes. That's it. Fix one thing today. Everybody wants to fix finances first. I get it. Or a failing marriage first. I get it. Or finding your true life's purpose first. But I'm telling you, you start with your body. When you start treating yourself better, you stop tolerating as much chaos in the rest of your life. You make better choices. You respect yourself so much more. And your whole life begins to organize around that. This is what I tell the guys I coach. Don't underestimate simple. Simple done daily changes lives. Accountability. That's what we're doing around here. Did you move today? Did you honor yourself today? Did you keep a promise to yourself that really matters? Maybe your walk becomes weights. Maybe weights become fasting. Maybe fasting becomes confidence. Maybe confidence becomes starting a business, something else in your life that you want to do. Starting a business becomes freedom. Maybe freedom becomes moving to another country, retiring better with someone you love. See how the dots connect? They don't connect unless you start with one step, one walk, one choice. Can a walk solve all your problems? Of course not. But it might start solving the problems and get you going, and that changes everything. Starting over isn't easy, but we're doing it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. If you're starting over like me, follow along. Type I'm in if you're doing this too. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.